Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build privacy policies with GDPR compliance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. Familiarize yourself with the key principles of GDPR, such as transparency, data minimization, and the rights of individuals. Identify the types of personal data your business collects. This could include names, email addresses, phone numbers, and payment information. Determine the purpose for which you collect this data. Be clear about how this information will be used, whether for marketing, customer support, or other purposes. Outline your legal basis for processing personal data. This could involve consent, contractual necessity, or legitimate interests. Create a section in your privacy policy that details how users can give consent. Explain how consent can be revoked and what implications this may have. Disclose how long personal data will be retained. Specify whether you will store the data indefinitely or for a specific duration. Include information on third parties with whom you may share personal data. Make sure to mention any partner companies or service providers involved. Detail the rights of individuals under the GDPR. This includes the right to access, rectification, erasure, restriction, and portability of their data. Include contact information for your data protection officer or designated compliance team. Ensure users know whom to contact for questions or concerns. Regularly update your privacy policy to reflect changes in your data practices or legal requirements. Clearly communicate any updates to your users. Include a version history at the bottom of the document. This keeps track of changes and helps users understand the evolution of your privacy practices. Consider using plain language to increase understanding. Avoid legal jargon that may confuse your audience. Make your privacy policy easily accessible on your website. Place a link in the footer and ensure it's visible on sign-up forms or checkout pages. Test your policy with real users to see if they understand it. Collect feedback and make adjustments as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.